Some of my personal highlights in the new Fender Studio Pro 8 version are the seamless integration of Celemony's revolutionary new product Tonalic inside of Studio Pro 8 and how well this synergizes with our new Chord Assistant and improved chord track workflows. Let's look at an example. Here, I basically use the chord track, which is a global track in Studio Pro, transposing all or just a selection of instruments to your specified chord that you can enter there. And I did that to sort of build out a rough arrangement sketch with just a few instruments like bass, drums, and a piano for some additional chords. And right now it's just alternating between C major and F major because I just didn't feel very inspired today. Let's take a listen. So in the beginning that works quite nicely, but of course this gets very dull and boring after a while. But fortunately I have the Chord Assistant and chord track presets in Studio Pro 8 which help us to tackle this problem. So you find the new chord track presets when you open up the track inspector from the bottom left. That has also changed. And now you go to chords and now you can click on the plus here to insert a chord progression as a preset. You see there's already a ton of major and minor presets available here. Let's try, for example, the front door progression. That would give me this. Very nice. But let's say that we want to have something more contextual to get us inspired. Well, that's when the new Chord Assistant comes in, which has been trained on thousands of chord progressions and can assist you just like a bandmate in the studio who studied music theory. To access this powerful new chord track feature, you could either just enter brand new chords into the chord track and it would basically create an automatic progression for you. Or if you already have chord sections in place like I do, then you could just hover over them until you see this drop down arrow. And when you click that, you will see the different recommendations of the assistant, what that chord should be based on the previous and the next chord. You can also double click any existing chord section to open up our chord selector. And there you find the Chord Assistant as a dedicated button as well. Now, the more blue one of these chords lights up, the more strongly the assistant feels that this would be a great chord to continue, but don't let that stop you. Any of the suggested chords could work great. Now, the chord track says that the C major and F major progression should actually be G major. So let's try that. Ooh. Now let's see if it also has a suggestion here for F major. And it says A minor could work, which would actually be beautiful because I don't want to stay in major the entire time. And I think this can actually work, but there's not enough instruments playing in this arrangement right now to really make an assessment. And this is where Celemony's brand new product Tonalic, which is seamlessly integrated into Studio Pro, can make all of the difference. So what is Tonalic? Tonalic is kind of like a pattern library of the world's best session musicians, if you will. But these patterns are completely contextual. So they're driven by your song. Depending on what chord progression you have set, they will always adapt according to the chosen session musician's playing style. It's really the equivalent to renting studio time with some of the best session musicians in the world that played on more records than we all realize and that few of us could ever afford. A world-class musician by your side, driven by your song. I cannot overstate how different it feels to work with Tonalics instead of classic audio and MIDI loops, which are not contextual, which are not adapting to whatever song you have going on. It's easy to start a song idea from scratch using loops, but loops never adapt to what you already have going on. This is so different with Tonalics, which will always be driven by your song idea. Now, the only way to really understand this is by listening to it. So let's dive right in. You'll find Tonalic in the Fender Studio Pro 8 browser by clicking right underneath Splice here. You can also access it from the browser tab that we have added. And here you will see the library of Uwe Bossert, who is the musician that is featured and included inside of Fender Studio Pro 8 because you're getting the Tonalic Essentials version with Fender Studio Pro 8. And this is his library of acoustic and electric guitar Tonalics. And you can listen to them like this. But what makes it so magical is that when you actually play your arrangement, then his pattern will adapt to the chord track. Let me go ahead and mute everything but the drums here, and maybe the bass. So you can hear him play his unique style, and if you like that, you can just drag that in and notice, even if I would duplicate this Tonalic across the entire arrangement, it would not get boring because these are not actual duplicates. And that is really the human element of Tonalic. It's not a duplicated loop, but it's basically simulating what the actual musician would do if you're in the studio with them and ask them to play the same pattern multiple times over. Of course, they wouldn't play it the exact same way, and that's also not what happened to Tonalic. Gorgeous. Let's hear that in context, and maybe let's look for some alternatives here. You can double click to open up the industry first integrated Tonalic editor right inside of Studio Pro and listen to alternatives by just clicking on this icon here. Great to switch it up a little bit. For example, this one, I could just drag and drop that here somewhere and then resize that however I see fit, and notice how the notes will always adapt according to whatever I have going on. It's just so rewarding and fun to work with Tonalics because no other loop library in the world behaves like that. Now let's try and look for another Tonalic pattern which could complement this muted plug Tonalic. And we can look for those specifically by either filtering for alternatives, which is very useful if you want to keep the same pattern but switch it up a little bit, or additions. These would be complementing what you already got, like this. I love that. And again, this is completely contextual depending on my song and my chord track. Meaning that if I once again use the Chord Assistant to go with D minor instead, did you notice how Uwe was suddenly introducing this lick that he didn't do with the other chord progression? Well, this is what the real session musician would do in the studio also. So hopefully you get a little bit of a feel for that human element that's really at the heart of this brilliant new product by Celemony. We are so proud to be the first DAW to offer this seamless integration of Tonalic, and we can't wait for your feedback when you get to try it out, especially in combination with the brand new Chord Assistant and chord track features in Studio Pro 8. Thank you for watching.